Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache data on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So it's a very simple process. At first, you can see the Amazon shopping app on the screen. Long press on it and click on this icon. Now here, you can see clear data option. Click on it. You can clear all the data and you can also choose to clear cache. Since we are trying to clear cache data, simply click on clear cache. It'll ask you again for the confirmation. Click on OK. And that's it. We have successfully cleared the cache data on our Amazon app. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.